Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at the Let's Recycle Live demo area here at the NEC with Sean McGeary, who is from Blue Central. He's the sales director. Got a lot on your hands at the moment, Sean, because you're bringing in the new Doosan range. DX160W behind me here is actually a perfect machine for the Let's Recycle audience today. And you've actually put it together with some interesting attachments. Tell me a little bit about it and the fact that you're the new dealer for Doosan.
We have, yeah. Thanks, Peter. We are the newest dealer to the Doosan family in the UK. So we started this year with Doosan. We have the full construction range to go with all of our existing range of shredders and material handlers and crushers and screens that we're relatively well known for in the industry. But we thought we'd come with something slightly different today. It's been a few years since we've been at RWM, so we're back now with a lot of kit, probably one of the biggest stands here, a lot of attachments, and a lot of Doosan machines, including the DX160, wheeled excavator, as you can see, and we have it equipped with the OilQuick hitch system.
Come over here, folks, we've got to see this, right? This is a really interesting system, isn't it, Sean, because it does exactly what it says on the tin, really. It gets the hydraulic oil quickly to the attachment, but also that makes that attachment easy to put onto the machine, doesn't it? Why is it important?
The big reason is safety and efficiency.
Yep.
So the operator can change tools, whether they're demolition tools, whether they're recycling tools, or just interchanging buckets from the safety of the cab. They don't have to get out of the machine. It doesn't require any other person to be in or around the machine as they're changing tools. And like you say, it couples up very quickly, so it's very efficient, and it gets the hydraulic flow to the attachment that's required. You can see the
ALLU, yeah, the ALLU screen bucket here. Really important piece of equipment here when you're looking at sorting on site. This is what you've been demonstrating here today, sorting materials on site so that you're not taking them away, so you're reducing costs. And as we come round here, folks, part of the sorting process, obviously, is to sort out some of the soils, but also you're going to get, like we have here, a little bit of rubble there, folks, that we come across, obviously, on construction sites, and that's where the new XCENTRIC bucket comes in as well. Come over here and talk to me about this one.
So this is the XC09. It's one of the smaller buckets in the range. We're exhibiting the larger buckets on the stand today as well, but this fits nicely onto a 16-ton excavator. It's a very well built machine. It's made entirely out of Hardox 400. It's got a very unique drive mechanism on the swing jaw, which works on compaction to help crush the material down to a size. We can actually crush down as small as 20 mil with this attachment, which you couldn't do that with a traditional mobile crusher.
Yeah.
So it's particularly good on difficult materials like concrete posts that can't really go through a mobile jaw where you've got a collection belt underneath.
Yep.
It's very, very good at that. And for small recycling yards where you only really need to crush a small percentage of the time.
And what's really important, folks, is we can do this all very quickly with a singular machine. The hydraulic power of that Doosan is there to actually enable that to happen. It's very, very good machine. And of course, behind us, we won't walk all the way behind us, folks. It's quite a big machine, Sean, that's helping us do the cleanup in the demo area here at Let's Recycle Live. Again, wheel loaders, massively important in the waste sector and the larger quarry sectors as well. But that's a decent size for anyone, isn't it, in the waste industry?
Yeah, it's in our large to mid range. It's 23.5 tons. This machine, we're exhibiting the smaller DL420 on the stand today as well. But very, very good pedigree in the wheel loader market. We have good availability for sale on these machines, and they're very, very well respected. But probably the single biggest feature that these machines offer, which is unique to the Doosan range, is the transparent bucket feature.
I know that feature, Sean. It's fantastic, isn't it? It is an amazing feature. Explain how it works.
It's probably, I think it's probably one of the best developments in safety that we've seen in mobile plant for quite some years, and ultimately through a series of quite clever cameras, both above and below. The operator has full visibility via a screen immediately next to their workstation, where they can see through the bucket. So there's no obstruction of their view, which obviously is a great safety feature, because it will drastically reduce the risk of the wheel loader hitting other people on
Yep.
site
Yep.
or hitting other objects and causing damage.
Exactly.
So it really is a revolutionary feature, and we're exhibiting it today on the stand, and we'd love to show people more about it.
I love that feature because it really is for the operator, and that is really thinking about the operator who has got a very, very big job to do. And also, you know, if they do hit a person, you know, they have to live with that. Or, you know, if the machine gets damaged, then it's out of action. So a fantastic engineering feature using modern technology to see through that. And that was launched earlier this year, and it's really now in the UK, ready to rumble onto sites, particularly great in confined areas like waste environments. And so it's great to see you again. Not blue this time, just a little bit orange, folks. But remember, the team at Blue Central have got a whole range of Fuchs machinery as well that I've seen on site in action, and it's great to see you expanding the range to give people more opportunities and more options. Cheers.
Thanks, Peter.